Hello there, my dear beautiful ladies. Today, we are going to talk about a truly special plant called Spilanthes acmella, commonly known as Paracress. You might also hear people call it the toothache plant because people used it in the past to ease tooth pain. But here's the exciting part. Spilanthes acmella is also like a secret weapon for keeping our skin looking young and fresh. Let's explore step by step how this amazing plant can help our skin fight the signs of aging. We'll look at its unique powers and how it works in a way that's simple to understand. And don't worry, I'll guide you through all the scientific words too. 1. Antioxidants. The superheroes fighting skin aging. Let's start with antioxidants. Think of antioxidants like tiny superheroes that protect our skin from damage. Imagine you have a beautiful garden, but one day harmful bugs come and start destroying the flowers. Those bugs are like free radicals, tiny, harmful molecules that damage our skin cells. Free radicals come from things like pollution, cigarette smoke, stress, and even too much sun. Antioxidants, like the ones found in Spilanthes acmella, come to the rescue. They fight off these free radicals, stopping them from hurting our skin. Just like putting a net over your garden to keep the bugs away, antioxidants help keep your skin safe and healthy. A study called Potential Antioxidant and Anti-Inflammatory Effects of Spilanthes acmella and Its Health Beneficial Effects says, the presence of antioxidants can reduce oxidative stress in cells, making them useful in preventing and treating various diseases. This means that antioxidants not only help our skin look young, but also help our whole body stay healthy. The same study also tells us the leaves exhibited the most potent antioxidant activity with the lowest IC50 values for DPPH and superoxide radical scavenging. Let's break that down. The IC50 value shows how powerful something is in stopping bad molecules. A lower IC50 means it works better at protecting us. So, when we say that Spilanthes acmella has low IC50 values, we mean it's really good at defending our skin from damage. Imagine if our skin cells were like soldiers, and the free radicals were the enemy. The antioxidants in Paracress are like one of the best shield those soldiers could have, keeping them safe in the battle against aging. 2. Collagen, the building blocks that hold your skin together. Now, collagen is a special protein in our body that acts like the bricks in a house. It holds everything up, giving our skin its shape, strength, and bounce. As we get older, our body makes less collagen, which is why our skin might start to sag or get wrinkles, like a house that's starting to lose its shape. But here's the great news. Paracress can help our skin make more collagen, which means our skin stays firm and tight. While there isn't one specific study that talks about this effect directly, there's a clue in another study that says hexane extract showed the strongest protective effect against H2O2-induced neuronal cell death. Even though this study talks about nerve cells, it hints that Paracress has a way of protecting cells, including skin cells. Imagine your skin as a bouncy trampoline. As the collagen levels drop, the trampoline starts to lose its spring. Paracress is like a magic repair kit that helps the trampoline bounce back, keeping your skin firm and smooth. This is different from Botox, which freezes your facial muscles so they don't move and create wrinkles. Instead, Paracress naturally encourages your skin to produce more collagen. It's like giving your skin a workout to make it stronger from the inside. 3. Vasorelaxant activity, improving blood flow like a fresh breeze. Now, let's look at a term that might sound a bit tricky. Vasorelaxant activity. Don't worry, I'll explain. It simply means that Paracress can help our blood vessels relax, which lets blood flow better to all parts of the body, including our skin. Think of blood as a delivery truck that carries oxygen and nutrients to your skin. If the roads, your blood vessels, are tight or blocked, the truck can't get through easily. But when the roads open up wide, the truck can zoom right through, bringing all the good stuff your skin needs to stay healthy and glowing. The study we looked at says, Acmella exerted vasorelaxant and antioxidant activities, which is beneficial for its lifting effect as a fast-acting muscle relaxant in anti-wrinkle and anti-aging applications. This means that by improving blood flow, Paracress helps our skin get what it needs to stay firm and radiant. Picture your skin cells as thirsty plants in a garden. When you water them well, they perk up and look vibrant. Spilanthes Acmella is like the rain that comes just at the right time, helping your skin look plump and full of life. 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. Calming the skin's storm. Let's talk about inflammation. Sometimes our skin can get red, puffy, or sore. This is inflammation, like a storm raging on the surface of your skin. When this happens often, it can make our skin look tired, aged, or even cause problems like acne. The amazing thing about Paracress is that it has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can calm down that storm. It's like a gentle breeze that cools down the heat in your skin, making it feel comfortable and soothed. The study tells us these compounds share a common functional group with an electrophilic center interacting with QX enzymes through nucleophilic addition of serine residues. This means that the plant has special ingredients that can reduce the activity of enzymes that cause inflammation. Imagine your skin as a busy city with too much traffic, horns honking and people rushing. Paracress works like traffic control, bringing calm and order to the chaos, allowing your skin to look smooth and relaxed. 5. A gentle Botox alternative. Finally, let's talk about how Paracress is like a natural version of Botox. Botox works by freezing your muscles so they don't move and cause wrinkles, but Paracress has a softer approach. It gently relaxes your muscles without any needles or harsh chemicals. The study mentions the leaf extracts have shown a significant muscle relaxing effect, which indicates its potential use in cosmetic formulations. This means that Paracress can help smooth out fine lines in a way that feels more natural and gentle on the skin. Think of it like a calming massage for your face muscles, relaxing them so they don't create deep lines, but still allowing you to express your emotions naturally. So, as you can see, Paracress is like a treasure chest full of gifts for our skin. It has antioxidants to fight off damage, boosts collagen to keep our skin firm, improves blood flow for a healthy glow, reduces inflammation, and even acts as a gentle, natural alternative to Botox. All these powers work together to help our skin stay youthful and strong. By understanding how Paracress works, we can use this incredible plant to give our skin the care it needs. So let's welcome Paracress into our skincare routine like a dear friend, helping us look and feel beautiful, naturally. My dear, beautiful ladies, if you're ready to elevate your skincare game, grab our free PDF guide linked below. It reveals the top 7 ingredients to avoid in beauty products, helping you make informed, science-backed choices for healthier, radiant skin. Your skin deserves the best. Start your transformation today.